Surfshark Nexus might be the next word in VPN security, but to know for sure, you would need to know exactly what it does. Hey guys, I'm John from VPN Pro, and today I will examine what is Surfshark Nexus and if this feature is as groundbreaking as it appears to be. Okay, so what is Surfshark Nexus? In technical terms, it's a consumer-focused Surfshark innovation based on software-defined networking. To put it simpler, it's a feature that connects you to a network of servers and allows you to switch between them as you go. Currently, most VPNs are a collection of single servers, and changing between them requires disconnecting from VPN and compromising security. You might wonder, how does that help you? In actuality, Surfshark Nexus bears three main benefits to the users. Traditionally, VPNs create an encrypted tunnel between the user and the internet. This effectively masks the IP address of the user and encrypts their traffic, protecting private information from public access. There are, however, downsides to it. First of all, your IP address stays the same, and some services can detect VPN-owned IP addresses to deny access. Secondly, connecting to a distant VPN server often forces reduction in stability and performance of the connection. And finally, often occurring server overcrowding reduces performance a lot, forcing users to switch between servers. Surfshark Nexus can potentially fix all of those issues. IP Rotator is a part of the Surfshark VPN Nexus. This feature changes your IP periodically without disconnecting from a VPN. IP Randomizer is genuinely my favorite addition. It hides browsing patterns of users by assigning a new IP each time you visit a new website. This makes it much harder to track you. Finally, Dynamic Multi-Hop will put a stop to fixed multi-hop locations, instead allowing to chain any server Surfshark has, allowing maximum security with much better performance than before. Surfshark Nexus is bound to raise performance, security, and versatility of Surfshark VPN. The best part is that it won't take too long to implement. The IP Rotator is already available, and further features will be gradually released over the course of 2022 and 2023. As a Surfshark user, I'm honestly thrilled about these new features. If you have not tried Surfshark yet, I will leave the best available deals in the description below. Despite the Surfshark changes approaching in a form of Surfshark Nexus, this VPN will retain all the important elements. None of the servers are going away, and the connection process stays as simple as it was. And of course, all the security standards remain, with Surfshark VPN Nexus just adding a cherry on top. If you are curious about Surfshark security, then let me expand on it in a brief Surfshark Review 2022. Currently, Surfshark provides high-end encryption with a SHA-SHA-20 encryption algorithm, has IP leak prevention in the form of a kill switch, and also contains a variety of additional security features. These features will never let you wonder, is Surfshark secure or not? In terms of privacy, it's an even more impressive provider. No logs policy and over 3,200 RAM-only servers. Of course, Surfshark can also be used for accessing geo-block streaming and torrenting content, and I personally had no issues accessing any of the trending streaming platforms. It also helps that Surfshark 2022 is one of the most affordable VPNs currently available, considering that there's no limit on how many devices you can use with one account. The value is super real. You can get Surfshark by clicking the box on my left, but more importantly, I hope I've got Surfshark Nexus explained for you. Please let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you again soon enough.